Hello guys, Devas here. Today we're gonna review the newest edition of the Double Cost unit in this game, Flareon. Without further ado, let's jump into it. You can get Flareon in here, in this banner, or Gachapon. And before you give all your Pura Gems away, you might want to see the coin mission. Basically give you 30 Dangerous coin and give you 30 free draws. And for Flareon herself, she's an assault type with potent attribute and basically a ground type. Has quite a good attacking capability with high firepower. And for her ultimate skill, she deals 500% firepower as physical damage to all enemies, but this AoE is not like what you imagine. I will explain it later. And for her ultimate, she deals 100% firepower as physical damage to random targets 5 times and gain 1 inspiration stack. It's basically maximum of 5 stacks inspiration. If you launch 5 ultimates, it will give you maximum of 5 inspiration stack. This inspiration stack ultimately will affect her intrinsic skill. Her intrinsic skill deals 480% firepower as physical damage to the locked enemy. With 2 inspiration stacks, this attack will guarantee a critical hit. Basically, if you already have 2 inspiration stacks, it will grant you a guaranteed a critical hit. And with 5 inspiration, it increase your own N by 300. So it will grant you easier access to your next ultimate. Her normal attack is a physical damage type, and she basically have 3 passive skill. Among these skills, I think the most important one is here, Lingering Note, because it's basically said that after you using the ultimate skill, it will grant you instantly another ultimate, basically 2 ultimate at the same time in a row. So for the build, I already gave you I already built her. I think the best weapon for her is her own weapon here, the Lumi Arc. It basically gives her ultimate skill grants 1 extra inspiration stack, meaning that in every ultimate skill she launch, she will get 2 inspiration stack. It's basically mean if you already increase her rating into UR, she will increase her stack instantly at 4 stack to ultimate skill. And the weapon is also increasing her damage dealt by 20%. The chip, for now I use collapse chip, but if you want to give her more damage, you can use other firepower chip type like destruction or annihilation. But personally, I think destruction is better because it increased damage dealt by 30% when the target durability is above 60%. But because for the team I built, I need her ultimate to launch her ultimate pretty quick, so I built her in collapse. For the rank up, if after you get her into UR, it's best for her to build in firepower leap, because more firepower means more damage for her, and she also is the type of durable assault type, so you don't have to be concerned about her durability. She's not the squishy type. After 1 or 2 hits of burst damage, she doesn't get killed pretty easily. And for Void Crystal, I use Judgment. For every each debuff exists on enemies, it increases accuracy for 50%. And what I mean by the ultimate skill, the AOE is actually after the ultimate is launched. The ultimate itself will lock one enemy for the 500% firepower, and afterwards it will launch an AOE attack after the ultimate scene is over. Now let's jump into the field and try her in the battlefield. Let's see, let's go to Warband, and we might try this. The best place for her is the second, because like I said, she's a durable assault type, so you don't have to concern about her durability. She's not a squishy type. She's not the type of unit that will be killed very easily. And for the first row in the team is Corcel, the tank, then her, and then Luis and Alouette here to help Star-Lord or Flareon for the DPS, because Alouette herself can launch several random attacks from her stack. Now let's jump into the battle. Oh, I also forgot to tell you that her ultimate skill basically turn her into tank if she's in the ground, but because of this test is on the air, the turning is not appear. Oh. And this is why Alouette needs to be the last, because if Flareon is dead, you can still have a DPS unit to finish the job. She still get MVP despite being destroyed. And now let's try her ground type ultimate. Oh, sorry. Let us try her ultimate on the ground here. And here. Let's see if we can get. Nah, let's test it on the ground. Little bit lake here. And I forgot to tell you that every basic attack basically gave her more damage. Flareon gives additional damage for every each attack with photon damage. If you see the lightning symbol beside the damage, it's basically her additional attack. And as you can see here, my ultimate instantly get refreshed, and I can use it once more time. Now I think it's done for today. Thank you for watching. See ya.